All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So yes, in today's video, I will be announcing the winner of the Sumo Performance side markers. So if you do win, make sure you get a hold of me, send me a message, DM me, and yeah, we'll get you squared away. All right. So with that being said, you guys obviously saw the title of this video. But before we dive into that, the topic of Ktuner and Hondata and all that stuff, I do want to show you all something. I have partnered up with SYNTH CARBON. I got a nice license plate cover, but also in this video, here's the next giveaway. I'm going to be giving away the exact same parts that I am going to be putting on my car. We're going to be putting on the carbon fiber steering wheel trim package. I'll show you that in just a second. All right, so with that being said, like I mentioned, let me get all this stuff out of the package. All right, so one of you all is going to have a chance to win the carbon fiber steering wheel trim pieces as being shown right here, okay? And then you're also going to win your very own carbon fiber license plate cover, just like that I have right here. Very, very solid quality. I love it. The carbon fiber just looks amazing. Camera is not going to do it any justice. So like I said, if you guys want to win a license plate cover and then the carbon fiber steering wheel trim piece package, make sure you comment down below SYNTH CARBON. You already know what to do. You need to leave this video a like, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, comment down below SYNTH CARBON, and then make sure you are following them on Instagram. And if you guys want to purchase anything through them, I do have a sponsor code. It's TTorres1183. I'll put it up on the screen right here. It'll save you all 10% on your purchase. Alright, I went ahead and cleaned the surface. So the first badge that we're going to put on is going to be the bottom piece. Look at the quality of that carbon. I just think that looks freaking amazing. Alright, so on the back you have your tape. Oh yeah, that looks freaking sick. Feels amazing. Thanks again for sending that out. Now let's go ahead and finish off doing these two sections of the trim piece. Last two pieces. I'm excited that I was able to partner up with this company. All right, here's another awesome piece. All right, just now finished that side. Let's go ahead and get this on carefully. Voila, nice. Alrighty, as you can see, here is the finished product. I absolutely love the way that this definitely made the steering wheel look so much better, aesthetically pleasing. So if you guys do want a chance to win a set of these carbon trim pieces for yourself, make sure you comment down below SYNTH CARBON, leave this video a like, you're subscribed to the channel, you have your bell notifications turned on, and then make sure you go and follow SYNTH CARBON on Instagram. I will have their Instagram link down in the description, and then I will announce the winner of this in the next video. So this video, we're going to announce the winner of the Sumo Performance side markers. So let's go ahead and get on with today's video, and then comment down below and tell me what you think about this. I think it looks amazing. All right, so now we're going to get into the actual meat and potatoes of the video. So with that being said, I get asked all the time, you know, hey, why did you go with Ktuner? Why not Hondata? Blah, 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 whatever, you know. So the owner of Ktuner, James, has been a great supporter of my channel, and he was a tremendous help with the SI I had. I was running their V1, and then I upgraded and got the V2, which now has a display screen, and I was able to give back to James and help him. I was the first person for him to have the 2020 ECU, because the ECUs are totally different, you know, from the 17, 18, and 19s. So yes, he knew that he could, you know, he had the capabilities of tuning and stuff, but he wanted to check out the 2020 ECU compared to the other ones. That's why, as you saw in one of the very first few videos I had on the Type R, I shipped out my ECU to Ktuner, overnighted it to him, got it back, you know, the very next day. So, you know, one day there, one day back. Super simple process. Got my Ktuner, got the Ktuner on the car. He did tell me that, yeah, hey, some stuff has changed in the 2020 ECUs compared to the previous years. Great. I love when cars pull out in front of me. Thank you so much for that. I just lost my train of thought. So yeah, he got the ECU, or excuse me, I got the ECU back, put the tune on the car, or excuse me, I put the ECU back in the car, and then I was able to plug in obviously the Ktuner to the OBD2 port, and the car was not tuned. I was waiting on him to send me the tune file, and I've probably been running his stage 1.1 tune, if that's what you want to call it. Or yeah, that's what we're going to call it. We're going to call it the 1.1 tune. I believe on the website it advertises 50 horsepower over stock, and then 60 foot-pounds of torque over stock. And let me tell you, it's definitely there. And the boost, like, it's not even half throttle. Yeah, this is how I wish the car would have came from the factory. This car is so much more fun to drive now that I am on a stage 1.1, and all this happened with I don't know, 800 miles on the car. I now have 938 miles on the car. I love Ktuner. I got mad respect for him and what he's doing, because you know, for a while there was nobody else out there on the platform as a tuner, besides Hondata. So many of y'all probably don't know this. Way back when I had my 9 chin, if you remember me having my 9 chin on my channel, I had a 2015 black sedan 9 chin. Love that car, missed the car. I really missed the way the K24 sounds. I actually had Hondata on there, and I loved Hondata. It was perfect. And then I don't remember who I was tuned by, but so I knew eventually the 10th gen Civic Si was going to get a turboed platform for the 10th gen. So back in the day, I was so small and money and joining the Air Force and there's a lot of factors that went into play. I really wanted to do the PRO Motorsports big turbo, but obviously, financially at that point I couldn't do it. So, I was like, all right, I'm gonna sell everything on this car, turn it back to stock, and then I got a Focus ST, which already had a turbo on it, so that was a great platform too. So if you watch the channel and you were here from those days, I do appreciate that. But back to what I was saying. So and then I got the 10th gen Si, and then based off my experiences I had with Hondata on the 9th gen and then my 10th gen, I already automatically knew who I wanted to go with. There are some similarities on what Hondata and Ktuner both do. Yes, they're both the source platform that you can use to tune your car and live data on exactly what your car is doing. Every second the car is running. But what I like the most about having the Ktuner is that I have this nice little display screen. As you can see right here, I have that nice little display screen that allows me to look at everything at once. Now you can't do that with Hondata. If you wanted to do that with Hondata, you have to get their little Bluetooth Honda hack thing. I'm not 100% sure how it works, but I like to be able to always have mine, and I don't have to worry about giving up the functionality of my navigation or the radio or just that screen in general. So that's another reason why I love having I love having the V2. Just about got hit by Cummins. That would have been great. So yeah, I love being able to have that display screen. James at Ktuner, not to toot his horn, but great customer service. The one thing that I wish that Ktuner had the capability to do, when I think Hondata does, I'll have to look into this. I'm pretty sure if you have Hondata, you can automatically start your car in R mode. With my Ktuner, I cannot do that. Okay, no big deal. One push of a button and I'm in R mode. So I'm not really upset about that. And then Hondata, I believe, don't quote me, I believe Hondata has they have this traction control feature that is pretty sweet. So, but although it's pretty sweet, it's not a deal buster for me. It's not a make or break situation for me. But overall, my experiences, like I said, I've had both platforms, and I don't think a lot of people realize that. And I already knew in my head when I got my Type R, I was gonna message James, let him know, like, hey, I'm gonna be getting a 2020 Type R, and blah, blah, blah. And he was like, yeah, thanks for reaching out. Thanks for considering us. And yeah, I'm just glad that I was able to, you know, make that connection with him. I love hearing that intake. So if you guys have any questions on, you know, Ktuner or Hondata, please comment down below. This is not to bash any company. You know, both of them have pros and cons. They have some stuff I like about Ktuner, have some stuff I dislike about Ktuner, and I can say the same thing for Hondata. But for the purpose of this video, I am truly always going to stick with Ktuner, and I'm always going to put people onto Ktuner. But at the end of the day, you need to ask yourself, what is your vision for your car? Whether it's your Type R, your Civic Si, you need to realize that, whether it's track, all that stuff, because you know Hondata offers the traction control stuff. They offer being able to start in R mode, just simple stuff like that. So make sure you do your homework yourself and not just go off what everyone says on the internet or the forums or whatever, but do your homework yourself and figure out what exactly it is that you want for your car. For my goals and my plan, I automatically knew Ktuner was going to be it for me. So yeah, comment down below. I'm curious to know what you all out there have now. Ktuner, you know, I had Ktuner on the 10th gen, I had Hondata on the 9th gen, and I'm going to be honest with you, the platform, when you open up the app on the laptop and you look at both of them, they almost look pretty similar, but to me, I think it's a lot easier to navigate within the Ktuner application, you know, being, you know, uploading tunes, updating your software, locking your Ktuner to the program, data logging, just all that kind of stuff. I just feel like, I don't know, Ktuner just seems a little bit more user friendly. It's like if you were to put, you know, let's just say to an older generation, you were to put an iPhone and an Android. Which one of those phones do you think would be easier for them to use? I just like I said, just like the way the application seems a little bit more easier to navigate having Ktuner. All right, so that's going to be enough of me rambling on. I did take the scenic route to the beach, so if you are looking out, we are currently driving through some condos. The beach is literally just right there. And with that being said, I am going on vacation next week for a week, so I'm going to try and plan some videos for you all that I can film for you guys. With all that being said, if you guys have any questions about tuners or tuning, or you know, D-Rob's a great tuner also. I'm going to be, hopefully in the future, fingers crossed, be working with D-Rob once I get full bolt on. We don't really have the E85 option, you know, readily available here. I'd have to store it in, you know, 10, 15 gallon jugs, and I just don't know if I want to mess with that. But the horsepower is crazy over stock, or you know, over a tune what you can do with it. But now I do want to thank each and every single one of you for stopping into my channel and watching this video. For some reason, if you're new to this channel, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. I do like to know that YouTube now gives me the analytics of telling me how many actual bell notifications went out and how many people actually have them on. So do me a favor and turn that on. And if you want to win the SYNTH CARBON steering wheel trim piece kit and the license plate bracket, hey, like this video, hit that subscribe button, comment down below SYNTH CARBON, and I'll announce the winner in the very next video. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get on to the giveaway winner for the Sumo Performance side markers. All right, so as you guys just saw in that last clip, big shout out and congrats to Sergio Diaz. Let's go ahead and verify that he is following Sumo Performance. Let's go to their followers. Sergio, G-I-O, Sergio, yep, he is. Big, come on, focus on the phone. All right, whatever. Anyways, big congrats to you. Make sure you send me a DM, and I will work with you, and we'll get whichever side markers you want, whether it's the DRL plus turn signal or just the DRL. Thank you all for entering the giveaway, and if you are interested in the SYNTH CARBON pieces, you're going to win the steering wheel kit, the steering wheel trim kit and the license plate cover. Make sure you read the instructions down below if you want to enter. Once again, thank you all so much for entering the giveaway. I love being able to do this to give back to all of my subscribers, my supporters, and all that good stuff. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching today's video. Get entered into the next giveaway. Turn on the post notifications, hit that little bell icon for me, leave this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.